Stop waiting. Imagine speaking English confidently tomorrow, even if today you feel shy or nervous.
Yes, in just a few minutes a day, you can learn real English conversations that people actually use, and it can change your life.
Ready to see how? Let's jump in right now. Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel, where learning English is fun, simple, and actually useful.
Exactly. We know it's not easy to practice English every day, especially if you're shy, busy, or stuck with boring textbooks.
But today, we're going to make it different. You'll see real conversations, real phrases, and small steps that can give you real confidence.
By the end of this video, you won't just understand English, you'll be ready to speak it.
So here's what we'll cover today: greetings, asking for help, shopping, making friends, talking about yourself, and expressing feelings.
And we'll practice them together with mini quizzes and role plays so you remember everything.
Let's start with greetings.
Imagine you meet a friend at school or work. You can say, "Hi, how are you?"
And reply naturally, "I'm good, thank you. And you?"
Repeat after us. "I'm good, thank you. And you?"
Great! If your friend asks about your day, try, "It's been busy, but good."
Quick tip, always add one positive word. It makes you sound confident. Mini quiz. What would you say if someone asked, "How are you today?" A, "I eat breakfast." B, "I'm fine, thank you." C, "I go school."
Answer in the comments below. Next, asking for help. Many learners don't know how to ask politely.
Easy pattern. "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Repeat after me. "Excuse me, can you help me?"
If someone says yes, continue, "Thank you. I'm trying to find the library."
Quick story. One student was nervous to ask directions, but used this sentence and everyone helped him.
See, simple phrases can solve big problems.
Quick practice. "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Change library to bus station.
Shopping is next. English here doesn't need complicated words.
Useful phrase. "How much is this?"
If it's too expensive, try, "Can you give me a discount?"
Another example. "I would like a coffee, please."
Mini quiz. If you want to buy a sandwich, what do you say?
Type your answer in the chat. It's okay to make mistakes.
Short sentences make shopping less stressful and more fun.
Now, making friends.
Start with small talk. Where are you from?
Or, "What do you like to do?"
Repeat after me. What do you like to do?
Quick story. One learner used this question and made a new friend in 2 weeks.
Tip: listen carefully to their answer, then ask one more question. This keeps the conversation going.
Practice time. "What's your favorite movie?" Repeat and answer out loud.
Talking about yourself is easy.
Start simple. "I like football," or "I enjoy music."
Mini quiz. Complete this sentence. I like blank.
One student said, "I like drawing," and found a new friend who loved art too.
Tip: don't overthink grammar, just speak.
Expressing feelings is also simple. "I feel happy," or "I'm tired."
3 simple words: happy, sad, tired. Start with these.
Story. A shy student said, "I feel nervous before a presentation," and everyone helped him calm down.
Quick practice. Say, "I feel blank" out loud. Now let's do a role play. Imagine you meet someone new.
I'll be the new person. You start.
Hi, how are you?
"I'm good, thanks. And you?"
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from?
"I'm from Spain. And you?"
Short, simple, real English.
Fill in the blank. "I'm from..." Type your answer in the comments.
So today we learned greetings, asking for help, shopping, making friends, talking about ourselves, and expressing feelings.
And we practiced them with mini quizzes and role plays.
Key is simple. Speak, repeat, and don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your best teachers.
Remember, the only thing stopping you from speaking English is waiting too long. Start today, speak today, and change your life step by step.
If you liked this video, hit subscribe, comment your favorite phrase, and share it with a friend who wants to speak English confidently.
Don't forget to watch our next video, 10 real English phrases you can use every day.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.